what level are we waiting for? We're waiting for market to tap this bottom of this Fibonacci retracement. One of them that's literally about to get funded here with just another $100. We are still live trading every single day. We've been live for 2 weeks. Super fun, super enjoyable. Yo, I appreciate you guys being in this live chat here today. Shout out Tim, shout out JJ, and shout out to Golden Wolf. And it is a crazy day here in the auto shop, but the customer's differential is just moving. You can see the axles are spinning, but the right side's not. Good morning, my fellow day traders, and happy Friday, guys. It is currently Friday. Market is about to open here in the next like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. And guess what, guys? We're gonna go live not only on YouTube, but also even Twitter this time too, guys. We're trying to go live everywhere. We're trying to make it fun everywhere. So anyways, guys, let's continue on. Let's go ahead and go live and let's chart up and make this quick. Market's about to open in literally 4 minutes and we are live on Twitter and even YouTube, guys. We're trying to get active. We're trying to make it fun, listen to music. So again, it's Friday. We've been live for 2 weeks straight. And so far, straight killing it, having fun, guys. We did a nice swing trade last night. So we're up 174 for now. Had a loss, so recovered me just enough to be profitable on the day. But guys, let's see what this market can even give us. Let's see if it's gonna be a bounce trade here. Not sure what's gonna happen. Let's see what we can get. Shout out to Wolf, shout out JJ, both in here again as well, guys. And it's Friday anyway, so we're out here live trading again, trying to see what the market's giving us. And again, like I said earlier, what level are we waiting for? We're waiting for market to tap this bottom of this Fibonacci retracement, and then we're gonna see what the market gives us. We're gonna see what it does. We're gonna see whether it's gonna create a hammer candle, it's gonna create some bullshit off. We don't know. We're just gonna see. We're gonna wait for the market to show us the confirmation first, and then we're actually gonna enter a trade based off the candlesticks. Now, I would hate to take a trade here and try to predict what will happen, because the moment it dips down, wicks me out, wicks up, you know what I'm saying? Like, we gotta wait. We gotta have confirmation. We gotta wait for actual candles to break either below or above. So anyways, guys, that's what we're waiting for, and I just wanted to post that real quick here for the YouTube chat. So we did take a quick scalp for some longs. Wasn't too certain of how long it'll keep going, but guys, we're at least up $207 here, and we're just gonna chill for the moment. But yo, Wolf, you freaking passed, bro. Insane, bro. Insane, bro. Wild. So shout out to Wolf, man. It's crazy. Yo, I appreciate you guys being in this live chat here today. Shout out Tim, shout out JJ, and shout out to Golden Wolf and whoever else is in here, guys. If you do want to be added to the vlog, just know if you do say something now or just say something in general, you will be added, of course, every single time. But with that being said, we are still live trading every single day. We've been live for 2 weeks. Super fun, super enjoyable. Trying to show the transparency of what it's like to trade every day. That's pretty much it. That's how simple it is, guys. I'm not trying to overcomplicate it. None of that. So let's continue on and let's take you guys along the journey of the day. All right, guys. So we just finished our live trading session, guys. We was on for an hour and 30 minutes. And we caught two scalps to at least put us up over 270 on the day, guys. So we finished the day at 270 here, and we're literally $100 away from getting funded on this account here as well. So guys, we have a few funded accounts, and this is one of them that's literally about to get funded here with just another $100. So all we need is another $100 and we're good. But it was super fun, guys. We was live on Twitter. We was live on YouTube for the first time. And right now we're gonna have to hop on a sales call in literally 2 minutes. We're actually gonna have to be the one running it this time since it's Friday, as well as we have to take care of another location today. Usually I'm here at the first shop, but now I have to head to the second shop today. So we're gonna head out, show you guys what that one looks like, show you guys how it's happening, what's happening, and let's continue on with life, guys. Let's make this vlog pretty fun. Guys, live sessions have been super fun. Trading has been super fun. Every single day, 2 weeks live of straight live trading, and it's been fun. So I hope you guys see you guys in there, live on Twitter, live on YouTube. We're gonna go live on TikTok probably, or some other platform, whatever's better. Let me know. Either way, let's continue on. Little mama stay fly. Guys, it is a crazy day here in the auto shop industry. We're out here performing for clients, some very nice stuff, sending them videos for the importance of fixing these parts. Now, client came in and he states that his wheel alignment's a little bit off. Guys, we found out his tie rods are just broken. So
during impacts or normal wear, the nylon insert that surrounds the ball in the socket wears out, causing looseness in the joint. This can cause clunking noises and alignment problems, which can cause the
You get that awesome ass video sent to you to explain why it's so important to take care of some of these things. Anyways, guys, it's so busy here. I don't think I'm gonna be able to just leave at my normal time, which my normal time would be literally in 1 hour. Might have to stay here for an extra 3, but honestly, it's looking busy here. Crazy stuff is going on, guys. Customer came in for a brake inspection stating that his brakes are grinding. Guys, we pulled up his vehicle. His whole rear differential is grinding. Let me show you guys. But the customer's differential is just moving. You can see the axles are spinning, but the right side's not operating normally, but the whole differential is just going crazy. So what does that mean? Well, then I hop over here and send him a video of how important.
The rear differential normally consists of a pinion gear, a ring gear, 2 spider gears, and 2 side gears. The 2 side gears are connected to the axles, which drive the rear wheels.
So imagine you come up to a mechanic shop, they pull up your vehicle and they show you exactly what is wrong, like butter. All right, guys, so we are still here. The time is currently 6:07 p.m. We're about finishing up. We did $11,000 in net sales today, which is insane. And we're just closing up shop. We're really supposed to be out of here like an hour ago. Super busy, finishing up here. Ready to go home. He's in a fucking cockpit. I'm not gonna lie, even though it's a fucking Honda, right? This shit feels like a spaceship, guys. I can't even cap. Anyways, we're heading on home. My girlfriend's just getting home too, looks like. So, anyways, guys, get the fuck out of here, man. Hope you guys had an awesome ass fucking Friday.